Okay. Sige na. This is the instruction. Okay, makinig kayo. Sige, one line lang. Okay, makinig kayo. So, we will be having... Pastor Eric?
Yes! Pakita ko yung prize?
Hindi. Pag nakasagot sila, ikaw magbibigay ng premyo. Bahala ka kung magkano. Bigyan mo na lang. Bahala ka. Ganito. So, I'm going to ask question. All you have to do is answer. Naintindihan nyo? Magtatanong ako at sasagutin ninyo. Diba napakadali? Kahit na ano, dapat merong sagot. Mag-isip na lang kayo, pwede nyo hulaan. Ngayon, kapag hindi nila nahulaan, Pastor, mayroong chance yung mga kids. Okay? Tanungin yung mga magulang nyo for the answer. At kung alam ninyo, punta kayong agad dito. At pag tama yung sagot ninyo, kayo ang kukuha ng prize. So, anybody, anybody from the kids can answer.
Kids,
let's start.
Okay. Answer the question. Just answer lang pa. Masyado kayong mga natatakot.
Okay, sige, ready na.
Ketchup.
Dapat wala tayong music yan.
Background music daw.
Okay. Sige, question number 1. Goes to...
Sorry.
Ezra. First question. What are the 4 books that tells about Jesus' life on earth? Okay. What are the 4 books that tells about Jesus' life on earth? Okay, say it. Okay. Congratulations. Hello. Napakagaling naman. Di ba talaga? Sinutong mo yata basta ka. Alam mo na kagad. Okay, next.
Uy! You can do it, you can do it.
Bibigay sa'yo ni mama mo lahat ng ari-arian niya. Okay, question, Jerome. What is the longest book in the Bible? What is the longest book in the Bible? Short. Hindi. Anong book? Matthew hanggang Revelation. Matthew hanggang Revelation. Genesis hanggang Revelation. Pili ka isa.
Revelation.
Matthew. Hindi. Okay, still. From the kids. Still. Doon sa Bible. Sam. Okay. Hindi lang daw. Okay, but congratulations. Galing nyo. Bilisan nyo doon sa microphone. Okay, next question, JP. Okay, next question, JP. What is the shortest book in the Bible? What is the shortest book in the Bible? Jonas? Hindi. Okay, still. Sige, come on. Ano? Anak. Sige, anak. It's okay. Mali. Anybody? Kids? Doon. Hindi. Still. Dapat still tayo. Saan? Bilis. Wala. Shortest book in the Bible. Hindi, kailangan iba. Ano? Clue, nasa Bible. Ano ba? Judas. Hindi. Ano, anak?
Genesis.
Mali. Sige, ano?
Sa tawag.
3 John. Wow! Galing. May pang-load mo siya. Okay, next. Okay, next. How many books? Ano pangalan mo, Iha? Ninya. Okay, Ninya. How many books are there in the Old Testament? Number lang to. How many books are there in the Old Testament?
7.
Oh, still! 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 Hindi na, yun pa naman. Hindi siya, anak, dito, anak. Oh, bakit na rin pa nandito?
26.
Na, mali! 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 Ilan anak? Ay, nagbibideo kayo. Nagbibideo pala kayo.
39.
39 is 39 is correct! Wow!
Yay!
Asan na yung one?
Say thank you.
Stan. Stan. GP, ikaw naman isa. Yung one, ako si Baby.